Internal organs.
Brain. The brain controls thinking, memory, and body activities. Heart. The heart pumps blood through the body. Lungs. The lungs help us breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Blood. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients in the body. Kidneys. Kidneys remove waste and extra water from blood. Blood vessels. Blood vessels carry blood throughout the body. Liver. The liver cleans the blood and helps digestion. Esophagus. The esophagus carries food from the mouth to the stomach. Gallbladder. The gallbladder stores bile for digestion. Pancreas. The pancreas controls blood sugar and digestion. Small intestine. The small intestine absorbs nutrients from food. Large intestine. The large intestine absorbs water and forms waste. Appendix. A small organ attached to the large intestine.
Thanks for watching. Follow to learn more.